Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we will see about AWS certification. First we have to know what is AWS. Amazon Web Service is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform, offering over 200 fully featured services from data centers globally. Millions of customers, including the fastest growing startups, largest enterprises, and leading government agencies, are using AWS to lower cost, become more agile, and innovate faster. Now we will see about available courses in AWS. These are the courses are available in AWS. There will be the four categories. Those are foundational, associate level, professional level, and specialty level. Every level having a some type of courses. We will see about in briefly below. Above the diagrams is shows the AWS certification courses defines in four categories. Those are cloud practitioner, associate level, professional, specialty level. First, we will see about foundational level. This is the basic level of certification training in every. This is the basic level of certification training in AWS. Who are need to learn AWS? They are done this certification course is benefit to learn other certification courses. This certification courses helps you to gain knowledge about various types of cloud technology roles with method to validate their AWS cloud knowledge to enhance your credibility as an IT professional. After end of this course, you will learn understanding of most fundamental of AWS architecture principles. This value proposition of the AWS cloud. Important of AWS cloud services and their applications. You could learn core cloud deployments and operational principles. Now we will see the prerequisites, exam format, availability language, time duration and cost of the certification course. Minimum 6 months of general AWS cloud experience in any role is recommended for this foundational level certification. The exam format is there will be the multiple choice and multiple answers. You can choose the any answers 4 options. Available languages on the certification examination is English, Japanese, Korean and Chinese. The time duration of the examination is 90 minutes. The cost of the certification course is $100. Now we will see about the certification detail in associate level of solution architect. In this solution architect certificate is helps you to build and deploy secure and robust applications using AWS technologies. After the end of the course, you will learn about the network technologies and how they work in AWS and how client interfaces connect to the AWS platform. You will know the concept of the build security and reliable application on the AWS platform. We will see the other details about the examination details. Prerequisites of the need of the certification course is knowledge and some experience in designing distributed applications. The format of the exam is multiple choice question and multiple choice answers. The time duration of the examination is 130 minutes. The cost of the examination is 150 USD. Available language of the examination. You can return this exam English language, Japanese, Korean and Chinese. Now we will see associate level of AWS developer certification details. To this course, you will learn how to develop and maintain a AWS based applications. You will learn how to write actual code which use AWS software in your business. After you complete this course, you will understand AWS architecture and the core AWS services. Hands-on experience in designing, developing, deploying and maintaining AWS applications. The prerequisites of this certification course is 1 or more years of hands-on experience using AWS. Exam format of the course is multiple choice questions and multiple choice answers. The time duration of this certification course is 130 minutes. Available language is English, Japanese, Korean and Chinese. Cost of this certification course is 150 USD. Now we will see associate level of SysOps certification details. This certification exam is entirely geared towards system administrators. Passing this exam is quite tricky as you need both technical expertise as well as conceptual understanding about the operational aspects of the AWS platform. At the end of the course, you will learn how to deploy applications for the AWS platform and how you can send and receive data between data centers and AWS. And you will learn provisioning, managing, maintaining, and securing systems in a AWS environment. The prerequisite of this course is previous experience as a Linux or Windows admin will be the plus point of this certification course. Exam format of this certification course is multiple choice questions and multiple choice answers. Time duration of this examination is 130 minutes. Cost of the certification is 150 US dollar. Next level of certification is professional level of solution architecture. When you need to evaluate an organization's demands and make architectural recommendations for implementing and deploying applications on AWS. After the end of the course, you will learn techniques of the migration complex application system to AWS. You will learn knowledge of cost optimization strategies. The prerequisites of this certification course is you should be certified on solution architect to attend this exam. That means you must need to complete the solution architect associate level certificate to done this professional level certificate. At least 2 year experience on designing and deploying cloud architecture on AWS and best practice knowledge of multiple applications architecture design is strongly recommended. Exam format of the certification course is multiple choice questions and multiple choice answers. Time duration of this examination is 170 minutes and cost of the certification course is 300 US dollar. Now we'll see professional level of DevOps engineer certification details. The certification is all about operating, managing and built on the AWS platform. Then course mainly two fundamentals concepts of develops continuous delivery and automation of process. After the end of the course, you will learn setup, monitoring and logging and monitoring system on AWS server. The prerequisites of the certification course is it is an associate level certificate, so it need minimum 5 years of experience. Exam format is multiple choice questions and multiple choice answer. The duration of the time is 170 minutes. The cost of the certification is 300 US dollars. Now we'll see the specialty certification course. The first is Big Data. This certificate is suits for those who have a background in data analytics and experience using various type of AWS services for designing the most reliable big data solutions. After the end of this course, you will learn the AWS tools for automating data analysis and you will learn how to access control to secure the data and it over Kinesis, Athena, QuickSight and Recognitions. The prerequisites of this course is minimum 2 years of experience in Amazon Web Services is must needed. Exam format is multiple choice questions and multiple choice answers. The time duration of the examination is 170 minutes. The cost of the certification is 300 USD. Next specialty level certification is advanced networking. This certification is to validate a candidate skills and experience in connection with performing complex networking, designing, developing and deploying AWS cloud, and you learn about networking optimization and troubleshooting. The prerequisites of the certification is you must have a background in architecting and implementing network solutions. The exam format is multiple choice questions and multiple choice answers. Time duration is 170 minutes. Cost of the certification is 300 USD. Next level of specialty level certification is security. This course covers topics that security pros and terms need to master security fundamentals. It follows best practice and built in the depth knowledge of key services unique to the AWS platform. concepts of specialized data classifications and AWS data protection mechanisms. You will learn after the end of the course understanding data encryption methods. Prerequisites of the security level certification course is minimum 2 years of experience in AWS workload, minimum 5 years of experience in designing and implementing security solutions. Exam format is multiple choice questions and multiple choice answers. Time duration is 170 minutes. Cost of the certification is 300 USD. Now I'll tell you what are the certification courses available in AWS. But if you have some doubt how to start for AWS certification, I will tell you the few steps to start the AWS certification and build your knowledge and build your career to AWS. Step 1. First of all, you need to enroll yourself in an AWS training class. Select the desired model that you want to take. Step 2 is review all the available study materials and exam guide related to selected AWS model. Read multiple white pages. It offers plenty of crucial information regarding topics. This holds some useful information which may answer your questions. Step 4 is next you need to take regular practices. A practice test will help you to become free of stress about the AWS certification exams. You have to do practice from yourself only. If you learn anything, you must do practice for your better knowledge. It will help you to stress free about the examinations of AWS. The step 5 is schedules the final AWS certification exams once you are ready. It generally takes around 80 to 120 hours of practical studying to being prepared of the exam. However, it depends on your experience and the certification course that you have selected. If you are perfectly ready to the examination, then you schedule the AWS certification exam. It generally takes 80 to 120 hours. It always depends on your selected certification course and your experience. Now currently how much of salary the certified peoples are getting in the organizations. Associate level solution architect peoples are getting the salary is 1,21,292 USD dollars. The solution architect professional peoples are getting the salary is 1,42,160 dollars. Associate level developers are getting the salary from 1,14,148 dollars. Professional level DevOps engineer is getting $1,18,395. Associate level sysops engineers are getting the salary is $1,42,160. In AWS certification course, who are doing the foundational level certification, they can write their exam in at the home or office wherever you are. This is the detail about the AWS certification. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.